Welcome to RoamStorm. Do not withstand the storm. Become it. Real adventure stories from roads, mountains, water, and air. Every challenge is more than an adrenaline rush. It is a test of capability, preparation, composure, presence, and initiative.
Hello. Okay, Arthur.
From accessible outdoor events to the edges of human experience, RoamStorm captures people stepping beyond comfort and meeting the real world head-on. Downhill lines, mountain peaks, whitewater rafts, and base jumps become moments of focus, discipline, trust, and self-discovery. The people you see here shoot and edit their own experiences, creating authentic, non-scripted, single-shot videos that reveal the courage behind every moment. RoamStorm is for outdoor athletes and anyone drawn to movement in nature. Beneath the intensity is a deeper path, building resilience, staying present under pressure, acting with intention, and discovering your true capability. Past is prologue. Rise and rise again until lambs become lions.